everyone, welcome back to another video. These first two pictures, as you can see, were the lovely nails that I created last night, only to find that my camera didn't record it properly. So I was absolutely gutted, and you know, it meant that last night I didn't get a video uploaded for you guys, but back today, got another one. I'm using the Nail Mate from Glitterplanet, their Lilac Rose, and I'm doing a nice sort of purpley set. So if you're my regular viewers, welcome back, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So I'm using my Flexihand, which is the Straight Pose Flexihand from Glitterplanet, and I'm using the Flexihand tips also from Glitterplanet, and I'm also from Glitterplanet is their Easy Tips. So I thought because I was using the Nail Mate acrylic this time, I would just say everything Glitterplanet. So the only thing that isn't is the glitter, and that's from Glitterbels, and it's called Michaela. This is only the second time that I have actually used this acrylic, this colour, the Lilac Rose, and I don't know how I didn't notice it the first time, but it's quite grainy. I don't know if you can actually see it on the camera. Probably didn't notice it too much because the last set I did it with, I had glitter, but this one is literally just raw colour. So I'm noticing it being very, very grainy, although it flows really, really well, and it's very, very easy to pick up a bead of it. So, you know, that's all plus points. I think I might order another one just to kind of see, you know, if the rest of the Nail Mate acrylics are the same. I think I'm maybe just spoiled with Glitterbels and so used to the colour just being so pure. So I'm going to be putting the Lilac Rose on all the fingers bar the ring finger, and on that finger I'm going to go in with the Michaela glitter from Glitterbels, because you can probably see on the screen here it is reflecting tiny bits of purple, so I thought that it would go fantastic with this set as well. This Lilac Rose acrylic is the same as most coloured acrylic powders, that it's just for colour, and you need to go ahead and cap all the nails in a clear acrylic. And for this video I'm going to be using glass slippers as normal. Now I'm getting in with the Michaela glitter from Glitterbels, and I'm not putting it over the whole nail. I'm just putting it sort of 2/3 of the nail, because I want to leave the top of the nail free so that I can do some hand-drawn nail art on it. Now that's all done, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cap it all in glass slippers, and then I'll come back whenever we start to file. Just my usual filing routine. I start at the side walls and I always make sure they're nice and straight, and then I go to the lower arch, as you can see, and I make sure that that's nice and straight and coming out in line with the natural nail. I usually go to the free edge, but for some reason in this video I have started to go around the cuticle. So yeah, I'm just making sure that the cuticle is nice and flush, and then I'll go over, now I'm at the free edge, and then I'll go over the rest of the nail and just make sure that it's nice and smooth and there's no obvious lumps and bumps. And once I'm happy with that, I'll go ahead and go in with my buffer just to make it really smooth and ready for my top coat. So I just showed a little side view there, just to show the apex of the nail. I actually forgot what I was about to say there. So to show the apex of the nail, to show that it's nice and straight at the sides. And now I've just done a quick wipe over it with some alcohol, and I'm going to go in with my Sharpies on the middle finger, and I'm going to do some marble effect using my Sharpies. So using the Sharpies to do marble effects, it's really simple. You just literally just fire the Sharpie on to the nail just wherever you want, and I just use some alcohol and my little striper brush, and I literally just go over the lines that I've done with the Sharpies with the alcohol, just to try and sort of like fade it out a bit. You can add as much or as little alcohol as you want, and even if you find that you've maybe used too much alcohol and a lot of your Sharpie has like disappeared or just you know, faded out too much, you can go back in and draw back over with the Sharpie and then just repeat the process until you're happy with the look. Now that I was happy with that marble effect, I'm going in with the Glitterplanet's Foil Mate, and I'm just painting it on sort of in the same like cracked lines of the marble of the Sharpie, and then I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds in my LED lamp, and then I'm going to go in with some silver foil and press it on. So now the foil gel is all cured and come out of the lamp. I'm literally just pressing that foil onto the nail and ripping it off, just as if you were waxing somebody. It's a great feeling, it really is a great feeling, and it's leaving the silver behind. I just went ahead there and I added more of the foil gel just to carry the silver foil theme just throughout the nail a little bit more. And now I'm going in with my white gel paint and I'm going on to the ring finger, and I'm just going to do sort of like a freestyle lines on the nails. And so I'm going to start off with just sort of where I left the glitter, I'm just going to outline all of that. So it sort of went up in like a cuticle shape, you know, that you would leave at the cuticle. So I'm just going to round that, and I'll just completely outline the whole of that section. Then up to the area that I left completely clear, I'm just going in and doing some, that's my Ring doorbell. Sorry. So I'm just going in and doing some lines. I absolutely love doing line work, and you know, I really should do more of it, because it's so on trend at the minute as well. So I'll have to have a wee look on Pinterest and just see what is out there and see what I can kind of do for you guys. So I've just kept going, and I'm just continuing that line work just down the whole nail, and this area here you can see I'm marking out just so that the lines are symmetrical. So now I've got all the line work done, I'm going in with my non-white matte top coat from Halo, and I'm going to leave these nails matte. but I'm going to be using the top coat uncured to set my rhinestones into it. So I'm not going to like record all of the rhinestones being put on, because it is very time consuming, and I never like the videos to be, you know, really long for you guys, and you can always see the end result at the end of this video. And here's the finished set, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you could go ahead and do that now. And I will see you all in the next video. So take care. See you soon. Bye.